So there's the base. And as you can see, it's already made such a difference. Now I'm going to powder that in. So by using a powder, I'm going to lightly just feather in and seal the cream. By powdering in that cream, which could be also a pencil, you're actually making your makeup last longer. So this will not come off until we wash it at the end of the day. So once again, just starting at the arch point and going straight down. Now at this point, when we've done this, I feel that it's a little solid still. So what I love doing is getting my eyebrow brush and then just blending that through. So by blending, it actually starts to look a lot more natural. And just putting a little bit more powder where I think she needs it more. Now, if you've got any scars or any little gaps, just like Holly did in that little section, just pop it on and don't blend too much. Just lightly blend out, just so it fills in. Now, by drawing your eyebrows in the way I've just done now, you're actually going to prevent from photos being taken, and when the flash goes off, sometimes people say to me, Sabrina, what do I do? The ends of my brows actually get blown out. Well, once you draw them in like this, then that won't happen anymore in photos. So just going to move on to the other side. And as you can see already, it's made such a difference. Starting at the point, just there. Practice makes perfect, so try this tomorrow morning and see how you go. Okay, so just going up towards the arch, then one nice sharp line coming down, once again ending and just extending Holly's brows down a little bit more. Now I'm just powdering in, going to the arch and coming down. And then just going to use my little brush to blend it out. There we go. And then just checking that they're both even. And just brushing it through to blend it out again. Wonderful. So there you have it. We've got beautiful brows. They're now standing out and the arches look great. Now to define the arch, I have one more trick up my sleeve. You can get yourself a pencil that's a little lighter than the skin tone, as you can see. Have a little bit of pink tone in there just for brightness, because pink always brightens things up. And what you want to do is you just want to put your finger on the brow, lift it up, and just put a little bit of this pencil in the arch area. Now, while you're holding it up, just with your middle finger, dabbing motion, blend that in. So make sure you're not going in this section here. We just want it in the arch. And what that does is it gives you an instant raise in the arch. So as you can see, I haven't done this one yet. Lifting up, it's already creating a beautiful arch. It's almost like an instant facelift without surgery. So there you go. Give your brows a nice lift. And there you have it. Beautiful brows.